Welcome to BlueJayTelehealth, a simple and secure way to meet your healthcare provider online. Join visits by clicking the link in your text message or email. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Please notice that we do not support Internet Explorer browser and Microsoft Edge at this time. For iPhone and iPad users, please download our Telehealth mobile app. We recommend using computers for a better experience. To make a smooth call, please check the following items. Before your telehealth visit, 1. Check your equipment. Make sure your camera and microphone are working. 2. Check your email or text message for your video visit reminder. 3. Wear comfortable clothes for easy movement. To start your telehealth visit, 1. Click on the meeting link in your email or text message that we send to you. 2. You may need to enter your name and select Yes, I am a patient. 3. Please wait for your provider to enter the meeting room. During the telehealth visit, 1. If you cannot see but can hear your provider, it could be a network or signal issue on the other side. Please notify your provider and let them check their network. 2. If you don't see yourself and your provider cannot see you either, please leave the current call, adjust your camera setting, and re-enter the meeting room. 3. If you get disconnected or experience audio or video issues, please leave the current call. Click on the original link you used initially to rejoin the meeting. Many times, changing to another device, such as a laptop computer, will help. After your video visit, don't forget to provide us your feedback. We value your opinions and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video helpful.